Hello students, welcome to Learn at SAN tutorial. Hello students, now in this video I would like to tell you the SSC exam timetable. Okay, so your SSC exam starts from May 17th and ends on 22nd May. On 17th you have first language, on 18th second language, 19th English, 28th mathematics, 21 general science. So in general science you will write both physics and biology, and on 22 social studies. Okay, now exam starts at 9:30, ends at 12:45. So exam timings 9:30 it starts, ends at 12:45. General science, this paper they'll give 3 hours 10 minutes. On your general science paper they'll give you 3 hours 10 minutes time to write the examination. In that for physics they'll give you 1 hour 35 minutes, and for biology also they will give you 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay, so totally they'll give you 3 hours 10 minutes. Okay, now biology and physics you have same exam pattern. Part A. So part A contains 3 sections. Okay, section 1. Section 1 they'll give you 6 questions. They'll give 6 questions. In that 6 you have to write any 3. So 3 questions you have to write out of 6. Understood? And 3 to the 6 marks. Section 2. Section 2 they'll give you totally 4 questions. Out of that you have to write any 2 questions. So any 2 questions you are going to write out of 4 questions. So 2 4 the 8 marks. So these are short answers. Understood? Next, check section 3. Section 3. They'll give you totally 4 questions. Out of that you have to write any 2 questions you have to attempt out of 4, and 2 8 the 16 marks. Part B. Part B they'll give you 10 multiple choice questions. 10 multiple choice questions. Each question 1 mark, so you'll get 10. Okay, so part A 30 marks, part B 10 marks. Total marks are 40. Total 40. 40 marks biology, 40 marks physics. For biology and physics same pattern. Okay, so part A contains 3 sections, part B contains only 1 section, and part A 3 sections are there. In section 1 very short answers, they'll give 6 questions, you have to write any 3. 3 to the 6 marks. And in section 2 they'll give you 4 questions. Out of 4 you have to write any 2. 2 4 the 8 marks. These are short answers. Section 3 is essay answers, long answers. They'll give you 4 questions. Among these 4 you have to write any 2. 2 8 the 16 marks. Understood, children? So part A 30, part B multiple choice, each carries 1 mark. 10 questions they'll give you, each carries 1 mark. So 10 questions 10 marks. So all together 40 marks. 40 marks biology, 40 marks physics. For both same examination. Let's see about biology. Okay, now in biology, you know the last bit, section 3. Okay, so 4 questions they'll give. I told you they'll give 4 questions. among these 4, out of 4, you have to write any 2 questions. You have to write any 2. So here, each question carries 8 marks. 2 8s are 16. This is, I am talking about section 3. Third section I am talking about. In the third section, these are long answers. 4 questions are given. You have to attempt only 2, and each question carries 8 marks. Altogether you will get 16 marks. Now, in this, how to score these 16 marks? Now I have a best idea for you. After analyzing the paper pattern, I came to one conclusion. So among these 4 questions, one question is compulsory, one experiment they'll give. Out of these 4, they are going to give you one experiment, and one question they are going to give you table. They'll give one table, full information, and from this table they'll ask you 4 questions. A, B, C, D, 4 questions are asked. One, they are going to give one experiment, lab activities, and one more question, they are going to give you table. They'll give full information in the table and they'll ask you this. And so this is pakka, compulsory questions. These 2 are compulsory questions. Okay. Next 2, they may give you write about mechanism of photosynthesis or about process. Some other questions they may give you. Now, in this section, you have to write any 2 out of 4. Let us not bother about other 2 questions. Let us focus only on these 2 questions. Okay. And experiments you should learn. So how many lessons you have for your exams? Your exams, first lesson, second lesson, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth. Lesson. How many? 4 experiments are there. In which page numbers you have that? In page number 3, 5, 7, 8. So page numbers 3, 5, 7, 8. In these pages you have these 4 experiments. Okay. Now let us see second lesson. In second lesson you have 4 experiments. Okay. In which pages you have these 4? 37, 38. 37, 38, 41, 42. So these are the 4 experiments. Now let us see third lesson. Third lesson, how many experiments are there? 3 experiments are there. In third lesson, 3 experiments are there. Very important, only 1, but let us see other also. So page number 51, 64, 65. Page number 51, 64, 65. These are the pages. Okay. Next, fourth lesson. Fourth lesson, only 1 experiment you have. That is page number 77. Okay. Next, sixth lesson, you have only 1 experiment, that is page number experiment, page number 121. Page number 121. Okay, children. So, if you read this, that's enough. But once you go through this also, 7th lesson, experiment, okay, 2 experiments you go through, okay, then this is deleted actually, but this experiment also once you go through and prepare it, okay, 2 experiments, page number 151, 156, 151 and 156, okay. So this also once you go through, okay, these 2 experiments are very important from 7. So these are the altogether how many? 4 plus 4, 12 experiments, 13 and total all together 15 experiments are there. So these 15 experiments you go through. If you prepare this 15 experiment, you will get one question pakka. So 8 marks you will score. Okay. Then next to tables. Okay. They'll give you a table and they'll ask you the information from that. So from first lesson, in first lesson, page number 15, page number 19. How many tables you have? These two tables you have to prepare. Okay. Page number 15, page number 19. Second lesson 32, 35 page number. Page number 32, page number 35. So this is one more. There are two tables are given here. Okay. So page number third lesson 59 page number. 59 page number, only one table. Fourth lesson 85, 87. 85, 87. So these are the two tables are present there in that lesson. Then fifth lesson 108 page number and 110 page number. So here fifth lesson 108 and 110. 108, 110 page number. So these are two tables are there here. From sixth lesson 136 page number. 136 page number, and totally you have 1. Okay. So in 8th lesson you don't have experiment or even you don't have any table. Okay. Got it, children? So all together how many? 2, 4, 5, 10. So all together 10 tables are given. Among these 10, one question compulsory you will get. So you will score 8 marks from this. These are the page numbers. These are the lessons. These are the page numbers for the table questions. Understood? So once you prepare it, got it? You will score good marks. So tables, I'll give you one example. For example, page number 15. Page number 15, you have enzymes table. These digestive enzymes tables are given. They may give this. Okay. So they may give this 4 and they may ask this, they may give this table and they may ask you 4 questions from this. Which is the digestive juice which contains no enzymes? Answer is bile. Or sometimes, what are the enzymes are useful for breakdown of proteins? Okay. So like that questions they are going to ask you from this table. Got it? So they'll give one table, they'll ask 4 questions. I gave the page numbers for the tables. Follow these 10, prepare well, and prepare these 15 experiments. Okay, so you will score 16 marks. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You share to your friends so that this video is useful for